Hello, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be preparing a very delicious snack. So this is a unique snack. I'll be using pumpkin to make pumpkin crisps. So with me I have a very good pumpkin. It's fully grown, so colorful on the inside. So I'll just split my pumpkin in pieces. Our water is already boiling. Just go ahead and add. So then I'll just cover and let it cook until all the pumpkins are ready. So now that our pumpkin is ready, I'll just be scooping it from the shell. Then I'll mash them quickly. I'll then add in salt. And then our main ingredient for this recipe is the corn flour. So I'll be adding in corn flour. So now this is a good texture. So I'll just go ahead and divide it into 3 parts. And then I'll go ahead and roll them. So right now I'll just let it sit in a cool place overnight. Then I'll work on it tomorrow. But if you have a fridge, you can put it for a few hours. So for me, I'll just let it sit in a cool place until tomorrow. Well, the following morning, our pumpkin dough will be looking like this. They are hard enough. So it's time for slicing. Well, now that the slicing is done, I'll go ahead and arrange it just here. So I'll now keep them under the sun to dry for 2 days. So it's a sunny season, that's why 2 days will be enough for them to dry completely. So now it's 2 days already, and you can see our crisps are already dry. So since they are dry, they get ready so quickly. Frying these crisps takes a very short time, so you remove them according to your desire. You can remove them at this stage when they are still this color, or you can let them turn a little golden brown, or you can let the whole thing turn golden brown just like these ones. So me, I prefer this, that's why most of them are this color, but it's up to you to choose your choice. They are so crispy. So if you want your crisps to be as crispy as mine, when they're not hard, make sure you use corn flour, not wheat flour. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.